That's traffic on the Alaska Highway, folks. We're boating the Toad today. It's been fun. The wife's wet. It's a little bit chilly. The sun come out though. What can I say? We stopped for a little warm up. If that's your kind of thing, hop on in for the ride. This is one of the last days on our tour. Here we go. Join me, my wife, 3 dogs and 2 cats as we depart Muncho Lake, the location of last week's video, in search of the crystal blue water of the Toad River. Here we find a stunning campground on the river bank where we depart on an epic adventure in our Jetstream mini jet boat. We navigate whitewater rapids, rocks, trees, and shallow water as our adrenaline pumps. The gorgeous scenery amongst the Rocky Mountains is the most beautiful thing one can witness. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. I don't know. Should we camp? Picnic table, I guess? I bet that leads to boat launch right there, anyhow. What to make of this new dog you have? take a minute to talk about today's sponsor. Here's Todd from Dalex. This is where we go when we have RV tummy trouble.
I think the thing that makes Dalex unique is that how much we care about every customer that comes through here. And we're more worried about how they feel about the experience. And we love meeting new people traveling up and down this highway. That's
Family owned.
Family owned. Me and my wife, 50-50. My daughter comes in, helps out. Everybody that works here is family. Yeah, we've got a 40,000 pound RV hoist we can lift up. The biggest one we had yet is a 44-foot diesel pusher on there. I had a triaxle hydrovac on there. As far as I know, nobody from Prince George North, there's nobody that has anything compared to that.
So if you're ever traveling the Alaska Highway, specifically in the Fort Nelson area, and your RV or any other mode of transportation is having tummy trouble, give Todd and the crew down at Dalex a call, 250-774-6804. That's 250-774-6804. That's traffic on the Alaska Highway, folks. It's been fun, the wife's wet. It's a little bit chilly, the sun come out though. What can I say, we stopped for a little warm up. How goes it, hon? She's eager to get back in the boat though. Must be want to do more boating.
I don't have a choice.
Well,
I guess the highway's right there.
You can hitch.
I could walk.
We're not going up this pristine creek. It's just too pretty. But I had to share this with you. We stopped here for a minute for a breather and just check it out. unless you've been in a riverboat up the Toad, you'll never appreciate something like this. That rock wall's like 2,000, maybe more foot, sheer vertical. Eagle flying up there. I tried to point it out as we were pulling in here. Don't get much better. Maybe a little bit warmer.
A little bit.
Cruising around on the Toad. What can I say? I don't even know if you can hear me in this thing. We found this beautiful little creek. We thought, why not stop? Take a minute. The wife's a rock hound. Maybe she'll find a rock. You know, it doesn't get much better. This is crystal clear. Not that that last one wasn't, but check it out. Looks like there might be a camp up there. Let's go have a boo. We can make it up this. You have to come inside here. And then from there, should be all rock bashing. The wife, I'm talking to the wife in the ear. And she's like, not having it. No, not having it. What the heck? I may as well ride for once, right? I earned it. I didn't make her launch with it. Hey, no! You're shaking my people around.